So what? I feel you fell in love a couple times. Tell me, was it too good? Tell me, is it a crime to fall?
Say ngimutaya sezwe AK utaqi AK igyani engena stress une stress awuphulanga asikholwa apho cause I know it's been like a while since I sat with you guys like this but like today I came with something light, something easy, something short to show some appreciation. Like I would really love to show my appreciation. Like I really appreciate y'all for everything you've done for me. Like you can spot the difference from here. You can spot the difference. This is when like I started YouTube like early this year. And like it was difficult, I can't lie. It was difficult, guys. But like when you check here though, I'm saying here, I'm like, you see her? See there? That's where, like, y'all just gave me motivation to continue, dog. Like, and that's banditini, guys. But I would like to say thank you for giving me 7K subscribers. My bad. I wish I had 7K subscribers manifesting. All in God's name is gonna work out. But like, that's not the point though. For making me hit 7K views. Yay! Actually, people are watching 7K views. Thank you for that, guys. Like the difference is there, guys. I really appreciate that. And like to other niggas out there, gents, yeah, me I won't lie to you, feel it's difficult, dog. Like starting up something, dog, that you know could bring a lot of hate to you, like bring like negativity, bro, stress, anxiety, being behind the camera, things like that, dog. I remember my first time, dog, when I started, I won't even lie, dog, it was hard, boy. Like getting like 3 views, dog. At least now I'm on the double digits. You see, I appreciate. They say, yes, closer. But like they say, take what's the smallest thing, take it and build with it, dog. Like appreciate whatever you get, dog. Yes, that's what I wanted. Like appreciate whatever you get, dog. Like whatever you're doing, James, like with whatever you're doing, man, I'm telling you, dog, push, dog. Have that thing in you, hey man, you can't let go, bruh. Push, dog. Like even now as I'm making this video, dog, I want to look back to it 4 years down the line and be like, damn, those days, dog. You feel me, dog? And like, you know, there's no great story other than the one where you started from the bottom. So just know you gotta start from the bottom and build. I'm not saying I'm at the top or something like that, but I would say I'm building. I can see the progress. It matters to me like big time. But like, thank you guys. Dizobuya content enzima. I'm trying to run heavy now. But just please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and the yonkinto bra. Please, guys, please. But like, yeah, we here to take over, baba. We're not playing, baba. Belo akeli oledi dladla, dog. Try by indoda ke leyo. Usibizi ba uyindoda, bra. Wakeli oledi dladla. Usibambela umfazi ugrandi. Uzibene dladla lakho fethu, ubene dladla emakhaya, ubene inkomo zakho, bra, uzipholele, bra, uphuma ezindweni, bra. Phoswa izinto ezimnandi nwana yami. Phoswa izinto ezimnandi, phuma ezindweni wena uzipholele. Uyaxelela fethu. Ungoyiki uhlala wedwa, bra, ufuna focus, bra. Yenzela way, dog. Whatever is in your mind, do it, dog. Besides the wrong things, please don't do wrong things. Is wrong, but like, please, like, bro, like I beg, guys, like just try, dog. Also me, I'm trying. Also me, I'm trying. Here I am with my 60 subscribers. But like, I'm trying though. And like, it's making me feel like a better person, dog. Like, this is a thing that I would have done a long time ago, dog. Only if I had confidence to do it though. You see, I would have done it a long time ago because I've always wanted to do content since like grade 9, dog. I've always wanted to do content, dog. Like, I even have a channel where I was in Twana, dog. Yeah, I'll put it here, raise it. That's the channel where I was in Twana. And then there's this video, freedom. This video's on this channel, on Teto2 this channel, where I was reacting to it, dog. When was that? I was reacting to it when I was in like grade 11. Imagine, dog. Imagine, guys. Like, just try, dog. Just try, chins. But like, yeah. Nevertheless, if you don't bet on a surprise, man, and doesn't know in the crash. Can you, Matsibitsibi? Can you, bras? Can you, dogs? You, but like, shout out to the BOB family. One day, you must ask me what BOB stands for. I'd like to let you know. Also, with the streaming, guys, and now equipment and for not talk, but like, this was Zama or Tibanesa. But like, I'll probably start streaming next year, but this year we'll push content on YouTube, TikTok. You can find me on TikTok, Teto2wild. You can find me on Instagram, Teto.2wild. Also on Instagram, you can find my clip account, Teto's Funhouse, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Teto's Funhouse, Teto.funhouse. Then yeah, dog, YouTube, you know, it's always Teto2wild. We wild. Yeah, guys, shout out. That was just my 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers appreciation. Yeah, 60 yeah, as I was saying, my 60 subscribers appreciation. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Because like, funny enough, last week I was just like on like 50. Yeah, I hit 50 on last week. And then like, beginning of the week, let me not say last week, beginning of this week, Fuji. It's not last week, because I checked it this week. Beginning of this week, I was on 50. After I dropped what them kitty vlogs, hit 50. I'm like, yes! After that, it's like, another one. Like 4 days later, 3 days later, I was on like 60 subscribers. Thank you. And don't forget, Mele Wakeli Ole Tilad, dog. But like, shout out, dog. Shout out. We out.